escape to a 240-acre paradise. This scenic property features 80 irrigated acres, rolling land, and 2 miles of Littlewood River frontage. This home features 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. Enjoy stunning views of the Sawtooth and Pioneer Mountains from the porches, pavilion, or apartment. With a barn, shop, and workshop, this property is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Rezoned for 2-acre lots on the 160-acre parcel, offering development potential. Unparalleled mountain views and abundant wildlife make this a true treasure. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.